Hey ladies, so this video will be talking about baddie maintenance and keeping up with yourself on a budget. So as the title says, if I only had $100 and I wanted to get myself together, what I would do. During COVID, around like 2021, 2022 is where I learned to do everything myself, which I started on YouTube as well. So my hair, my nails, makeup, eyebrows, lashes, literally everything. So I don't have to schedule any appointments. So like, the holiday is coming up, Valentine's Day, I'm gonna sit here and do all of that by myself. So it saves me a lot of money, and that's like the most expensive thing that females spend their money on is looking good. So I'm gonna tell y'all the sauce and how I do it, like different brands and like where y'all should go to be able to manage this. So starting with hair. So this brand I have right here is called Vice. Now this wig costed like $50, low-key a little expensive, but I bought it from a beauty supply that was, smaller than the one I usually go to, so the price is gonna be, more expensive. But this Vice brand, I really like this brand, and this wig was $50. Only the other thing that you really would need to get it done is the glue and the holding spray and the glue. The small one costs $2.99. So you're throwing a cap on, putting $3 glue on there, and you're cutting the lace, the little extra lace part, and that's it. And most of the time it has the pins on the front and in the back, so you're not necessarily needing a lot of glue. And I have tutorials on how to install your own lace front wig. The next thing is nails. I kind of get my nails from, these are the press-on nails. I get my nails from the dollar store. I get my nails from Family Dollar. The glue that you need to use is the Kiss brand, the Mega Hold. And I learned that you're supposed to put the glue on both your nail and the actual nail itself for it to last long. You hold it on there for about 30 seconds, and then you don't wash your hands or soak your hands in water for a good 20 minutes. Okay, so these nails usually range from $1 to $5. So with $100, the wig is only $50, the glue is $3, that's $53. And then you have the nails that's only like $1 to $5, that's $58. So that's nothing. And then as far as makeup, I just kind of started exploring other brands, but when I very first started, I started with LA Color. It's a good starter brand, but which I get from Family Dollar, and they have everything. You can get it all from right there, and it'll probably be under, that will run it up to probably like $100, I'm not gonna lie, but that's still really affordable. But this one is also affordable too. The Essence cosmetic brand, this foundation was under $9, and it looks so good. So you're gonna see on my recent tutorial that is the foundation that I used. And I have tutorials on how to do makeup. I have tutorials on how to do your own wig. I have tutorials on how to do your own nails. I have tutorials on how to do your own eyebrows, your own lashes. So literally, if you subscribe to my channel, you wouldn't need to look nowhere else. You can literally learn how to do everything by yourself from watching a few videos. So if you want to save and still look good, subscribe. But if you want to book 100 appointments and spend $1,000, that's on you. So that is how I do it. Now I look not up to par right now because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I'm gonna wait to do all of that. I done had that wig for like a couple weeks, but because I work out a lot, I just throw this wig on, and I just go, because it's, what's the point of putting on and installing a new wig just to be sweating it out? Like, I'm trying to, you feel me? I'm trying to look good in 6 months. I'm not worried about my hair right now. Okay. So, and as far as lashes, like if you go to like a retail store like Ross, Burlington's, you can get a pack of 5 of them for like $7. I also have some on my Etsy shop. These right here in this packaging. I have 2 different types of lashes. So that is, what else did I talk about? I talked about hair, makeup, lashes, nails. What else is there? The eyebrows, literally everything. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and you're not gonna be perfect when you first doing it, or you might, and you didn't know you could do it that good, but you don't want to pay all the extra fees, squeeze-ins, bring your own hair, come braid it, wash. Like, it came to a point where it's too many rules to book appointments now. But if you know how to do everything yourself, you don't have to follow the petty rules of the new beauticians and all of that. So I look rough right now, but I know what I'm talking about. Go look at my other videos, my hundreds and hundreds of videos showing makeup tutorials. Some of them I have in short form, some of them I have the full-length super detailed makeup videos, hair tutorials, nail tutorials, eyebrow tutorials. Like, literally all my videos will get you together. And anybody that cancels on you, you ain't gotta ever think about booking with them again, because I show you how to do it for free. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.